Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you my new laptop, the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5 with a 16-inch screen, which is in this box. Here you can see my old HP laptop which I had since 2017, and for a long time it served me well. It has a matte 17-inch screen and it is much heavier than the new machine. However, with each Windows update it just got slower and slower. The worst was actually when I tried to edit my videos. The program crashed a lot. Last year Windows nagged me with constant warnings that my laptop wouldn't make the upgrade to Windows 11, and the more it crashed the more worried I got. So I checked what was available and found this Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5. It fits most specifications I wanted. However, it took me a while to actually buy it, as it was always sold out and I had to wait. I considered a second-hand HP, but that was quickly snatched up too. As you can see, this laptop has a slightly smaller screen, which is also smooth and shiny. I think the design of it is very elegant too. I love how smooth it feels and it is not too heavy. The nice color is called Abyss Blue. The laptop came with Windows 11 installed. I bought a new version of the Microsoft Office suite as I don't like to pay subscription, and added Bitdefender as my antivirus software. Adding everything I needed from my old laptop took quite a while, especially my email client, for which I use Thunderbird. And of course I had to add a cute screensaver, which is our Lucy and Max when they were kittens. What I like about the laptop so far: the slick design, the weight, and the fact that it has a lot of storage. I also like how quickly it launches and updates stuff. No more waiting for 15 to 30 minutes and the computer grinding to a halt. I also like the fact that the keyboard is backlit. Getting used to Windows 11 took me a while. The layout is different and I tried to disable a lot of bloatware and stuff I don't want. It has a reasonably long battery life, though I can't tell you exactly how many hours until you need to plug it in, as I have it mostly plugged in, and it also depends on what you do on the laptop. The battery charges up quickly. What I don't like so much: the sound is okay, but then I only use it to listen to YouTube videos or podcasts, not to music, for which I have a little CD player in my workroom. The cable with the plug is a bit short. It also took me a while to get used to the shiny screen, as the HP screen was a matte screen. I wish it had more USB-A ports. Overall though, I am happy with my new laptop and I hope it will serve me for the next 10 years. Only time will tell. I hope you liked this video. Next time I will share with you more art things. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching. Until next time.